Have you ever wondered how our body breathes and exchanges gases? It's a complex and fascinating process, all thanks to our respiratory system. The journey of air begins when it's inhaled through the nose or mouth. These entry points are equipped with tiny hairs and mucous membranes that perform the initial job of filtering, warming, and humidifying the incoming air. The air then travels through the pharynx, a common pathway for both air and food. It's here that the epiglottis, a flap-like structure, plays a crucial role in preventing food from entering the airway. Next, the air reaches the larynx or the voice box. This structure houses the vocal cords and aids in sound production. The larynx also serves as a guard to the lower respiratory system, closing during swallowing to stop food or liquids from sneaking into the trachea. The trachea, often referred to as the windpipe, then carries this air from the larynx into the chest. It's a long tube-like structure composed of cartilage rings that ensure open airways. The trachea then splits into two bronchi, one leading to each lung. These bronchi further divide into smaller airways within the lungs, called bronchioles, forming a structure known as the bronchial tree. This tree-like structure helps distribute air to all parts of the lungs. The lungs, the primary organs of the respiratory system, are spongy, elastic structures that house millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli. It's within these alveoli that the magic of gas exchange happens. Oxygen enters the bloodstream, and carbon dioxide, a waste product, is expelled from the body. Breathing, the vital function of the respiratory system, is facilitated by the diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle located below the lungs. When the diaphragm contracts and flattens, it increases the volume of the chest cavity, allowing air to enter the lungs. The process of exhalation occurs when the diaphragm relaxes and the chest cavity decreases in size. The entire system is regulated by the brain, specifically the medulla oblongata. This part of the brain monitors factors such as blood pH and oxygen and carbon dioxide levels, adjusting the rate and depth of breathing to maintain homeostasis. And let's not forget the built-in defense mechanisms of the respiratory system: coughing and sneezing. These are reflex actions that help clear the airways of irritants or foreign substances. In summary, the respiratory system is a complex biological machine responsible for supplying the body with the oxygen needed for cellular respiration, which produces energy. It also aids in the removal of carbon dioxide, a waste product of metabolism. Any disruptions to this system can lead to breathing difficulties and a range of respiratory disorders such as asthma, bronchitis, and pneumonia. So, let's take a moment to appreciate this intricate system that keeps us breathing every second of every day.